Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to install Xprite's 200 watt G2 Siren NPA system.
Shut up and sit down.
Alright guys, for the first step, we're going to go ahead and open up the hood and we're going to find a mounting location for our Siren. For this specific vehicle, our mounting point is going to be up at the front. We're going to go ahead and place this right above the grill. And we're actually, since this is a temporary install, we're not going to bolt down, but what you would do is you're going to want to drill some holes to wherever your mounting point is at and bolt it on. So this is the unboxing of the actual PA system. So you can see when you open up the box, you're going to have a simple instruction sheet. You're going to have a mounting bracket. You're going to have your wiring harness, your microphone, the system of course, the hardware, and your two accessory wiring. So the first step you want to do with the wiring harness is you want to go ahead and trim off the edges, that way you can have access to the cable. So now that we have our wires spliced up, we're going to go ahead and put the two green connected to the back of our Siren. Red is positive, black is negative. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put both of the cables together. Make sure that you do not connect negative and positive. I would recommend using some electrical tape or some heat shrink around it. Like I said, this is just a temporary install on this vehicle. That way we're not doing any permanent stuff to it. Okay, so the next step we did is we got our wiring harness and we ran it in through our firewall wall into the dash of the vehicle. So what you want to do now is get your system, and this just clips right on. For this part, we're going to go ahead and just connect black to negative, red to positive. Okay, so now the next step is we're going to get the bracket, the bolt, just screw those suckers in. Now that the bracket is on, you can choose to mount it wherever you like. In this vehicle, we plan on drilling it on here, but you can mount it wherever you like I said.
And this is what the product should sound like.